Imagine having the power to create hilarious memes in seconds, all with a touch of AI. Introducing the AI Meme Generator, your ultimate tool for turning ordinary images into laugh-out-loud masterpieces. So, how does it work? Let's dive in. First, upload your image to get started. Now it's time to add some personality to your meme. Type in a name and hit OK. Next, choose a style and language that fits your meme's vibe. Ready to see the magic? Click Generate Meme and watch as your image transforms into a hilarious creation. If you are satisfied with your meme, hit Save, and it's ready to share with the world. Want to keep experimenting? Tweak the style and generate a new meme with each click for endless possibilities. Whether you are looking to start a meme page or just want to entertain your friends, this tool makes it easy and fun. Ready to create your next viral hit? Give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.